Hi everyone, this is Teacher Momo and welcome to my kids art channel here on YouTube. On this channel, I am going to be teaching you how to draw lots of different characters. We have Travel Girl who travels around the world, our Rainbow Friends who celebrates diversity, and this month we have our Scary Girls to celebrate Halloween. Today we are going to start with Scary Girl as a scary clown. Are you a fan of clowns or are you not a fan of clowns? Grab your paper, pencil, eraser, and meet me back here to start drawing. Today we are going to draw our Scary Girl as a clown. But in our series, we have lots of scary girls. Scary Princess. Scary Bride of Frankenstein. Scary La Katrina for Day of the Dead. Scary Little Red Riding Hood. And Scary Little Mermaid. Ready to start? Okay, let's start. So what we are going to need, we're going to have ink pens, red and black for later after we draw our picture. I have pencils. I usually have at least 2 pencils in case one breaks. Then I also have my pencil sharpener, and then I have an eraser. Now I like to use half a sheet of paper when I'm drawing these Chibi style of characters. Chibi style is based off the anime style from Japan. It's a very, very, very basic anime style. We have the person with a big head and a small body. Are you guys ready to start? Let's go. So I'm going to start a little bit different than I normally do it. I usually use a circle for the head. You can see that big circle there. But today we're going to start with a triangle for the bottom. So here's my triangle, V shape. Now I'm going to come up on both sides. And now curve. Do a rainbow. Okay. Gonna make that a little bit lighter. Let's do the scary eyebrows. So I'm going to find the middle of this face. So that's about the middle for me. Now on one side, I'm going to do a V shape. Now I'm going to come down and do that diagonal line for the eyebrow. Now on the other side of this point, I'm going to do a check mark. Okay, so we have our 2 eyebrows. Now let's make the letter U for the eyeballs. U. I'm just going to shade that in a little bit to really help the eyeball stand out. All right, let's give the red nose of a clown. So a circle right here. Our scary clown is screaming no. So let's make that open mouth. Come down to the bottom, 2 lines on the side, and then we're going to curve over. Shade it in, very dark at the top. Okay, dark at the top. A medium shade in the middle, and then a light shade at the very bottom. Okay. Let's do that traditional hair with the spikes. You'll often see this in anime and chibi drawing styles, and also the kawaii style. I like to start on the side. Let's do a curve here and a point. Let's do a curve over here and a point. Another curve, point, then another one, curve, point. We're going to do the letter V at the top here, a V with the curve. Okay. Then point, curve, and then we're going to follow the shape of this circle head, coming down, point, coming down, point, coming down, point. Let's have a piece here matching up. Awesome. Let's do it on the other side. We're going to do point, and then a U shape, then a point, and a U shape. Let's do that U shape. And we're following this curve, a point and a U shape, point and a U shape. Now we're going to start going downward. So point, U shape, point down, point down, point and a curve, point coming up, and then another point coming up. Okay. All right. Now we need to do the bang. We're going to curve a little bit and points to the side. Point, point, point. Now sometimes artists like to draw the lines coming down the forehead to really show someone is angry. Let's do that, but make sure not to draw a line through the eye. Line. Stop at the eyeball. Okay, awesome. And then we're going to do this little anger mark on the forehead. So we're just going to do like a T shape across. So curve 1, curve 2, curve 3, curve 4. How's it looking? How's it looking? I'm going to give her one ear. So over here, that U shape and a V. Great. We're going to have the popular clown outfit that I see a lot on Instagram and in drawings. We're going to come out from where the mouth is and do a squiggly line going around that mouth and chin. Let's draw some lines. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to do a second squiggly line. Come down, squiggly line, smaller. Okay. Then we're going to do a line, line, line. Now doing the chibi, we often have the body in the middle. And we often have the body the same size as the head. So this is what we're going to do. So for me, that's about 3 fingers. I'm going to go to the chin and make a mark. There we have 3 fingers. Okay. Now I'm going to imagine 1/3 line. So this is about 1/3 and this is about 1/3. So imagine this line coming all the way down. Now I'm going to start it coming down. 1/3, this line coming all the way down. Now I'm going to start it. Okay. This is the body. Now let's do a belt in the middle. So that's about halfway. I'm going to make the belt here. So 2 rectangles for the belt. At the Okay, after drawing your belt, we're going to draw the ruffles coming out, squiggly line. We're going to draw a line down the middle. And from the ruffle to the edge, we're going to draw a diagonal line. And then here, we're going to have one coming out a little bit to the side. Let's do a curve here and ruffles at the bottom. Let's do a curve down and then curve up. Ruffles at the bottom. Let's do a little U shape for the foot and a U shape here for the foot. Let's do some erasing to clean it up a little bit so we can better see our image. Awesome, awesome. Let's do 2 rectangles for the arm. Rectangle 1. Let's do 2 lines in the sleeve. Rectangle 2. 2 lines. Ruffles, squiggly line, ruffle, squiggly line, U-shape hand, U-shape hand. Now let's give some decorations. So striped look. So 1 line here, 1 line here. Just do some stripes. And right in the middle, buttons. So circles, circle, circle. All right. Now let's add that comic book effect. by having the two lines to represent the girl is jumping. Okay, 1, 2, and then curve, curve, curve. Yes, and to really give the image of being up high, let's have the balloons right at the bottom, balloons. Okay, my balloon simple, circle, triangle, curve, squiggly line. Circle, triangle, curve, squiggly line. Circle, triangle, curve, squiggly line. Awesome. Now, she is shouting, no! Let's have this at an angle. I'm going to put it going this way. So here we have our line. And now let's do the N-O exclamation mark. And then another line. Okay. And sweating, hot, anger, little drops of sweat. All right, my friends, I think this is it. How's it looking? Are you happy with your drawing?